The Buick Enclave has received a gorgeous and modern redesign. Aimed at becoming the gold standard for family vehicles, the new Enclave is packed with state-of-the-art safety features, cutting-edge technology, and efficient performance. For family vehicle shoppers eyeing an upgrade, the 2025 Buick Enclave is ready to deliver. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Buick Enclave. The new Enclave sheds its previous curvy exterior for a bolder, boxier look that incorporates design elements reminiscent of Buick's Envision and Envista SUVs. The brand's signature tri-shield logo finds a new home on the leading edge of the hood, replacing its prior placement within the grille. Full-width taillights now grace the rear, while the Avenir trim elevates the aesthetics further with a dramatic lighting animation that plays across the exterior lights. Buick stays true to its strategy of bridging the gap between mainstream and luxury segments with the Enclave's trio of distinct trim levels. First of the three is the preferred model, the base trim for drivers seeking a well-equipped mainstream crossover experience. The Sport Touring ST is for those who prioritize a more dynamic driving experience. It injects a sportier feel into the Enclave, likely emphasizing handling and performance characteristics appealing to drivers who crave a more engaging driving experience. On the other hand, the top-of-the-line Avenir trim elevates the Enclave into the realm of near luxury. Pampering occupants with premium features and amenities, it's ideal for those who desire a touch of sophistication and a luxurious ambiance in their SUV. The Enclave sheds its previous 3.6-liter V6 engine in favor of a more compact, yet surprisingly powerful, 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder. Despite its smaller size, this new engine delivers a significant performance boost, churning out 328 horsepower compared to the 310 horsepower of the outgoing V6. This translates to a gain of 18 horsepower and a healthy 60 pound-feet of torque, enhancing the Enclave's overall performance capabilities. Across all trim levels, the 2.5-liter Turbo 4 is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 9-speed unit. Front-wheel drive remains the standard option, while all-wheel drive is available for those seeking additional traction and capability. The Enclave retains its impressive towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, with the optional trailering package. The Buick Enclave's cabin undergoes a significant transformation, leaving behind its prior focus on comfort alone and embracing a more sophisticated aesthetic. The design, materials, and technology features all receive a major upgrade. Standard adjustable ambient lighting sets the mood, while the outdated push-button shifter has been replaced with a sleek stalk on the steering column. The Avenir trim particularly stands out with its attractive interior color options, including a stunning blue accent that graces the upper sections of the doors, dashboard, and even the 3-spoke steering wheel. While the Avenir boasts a luxurious look, it falls short of the dazzling opulence found in some top European SUVs. A practical touch that all Enclave trim levels benefit from is the inclusion of a wireless charging pad nestled within a conveniently angled phone tray in the center console. This setup also features side-by-side cup holders, a welcome feature for those who appreciate knowing which drink is theirs. The relocation of the gear shifter to the steering column further enhances the center console's spaciousness. The Enclave prioritizes passenger comfort throughout its spacious cabin. All passengers can enjoy generous headroom and ample legroom, while the second row features a pair of captain's chairs for enhanced individual comfort. A wide walkthrough between these chairs allows easy access to the third row. Convenience is further enhanced with the touch-of-a-button functionality that allows the second-row seats to tip and slide forward. While the second-row seating remains exclusively captain's chairs, all passengers benefit from dedicated cup holders with heated options available in the Avenir trim. Climate controls are also present in the second row for personalized comfort. Moving to the front, the top-of-the-line Avenir trim pampers occupants with heated, cooled, and massaging front seats, creating a truly luxurious driving experience. Across all trims, brushed aluminum accents on the instrument panel and subtle canary gold trim around the console add a touch of elegance. However, the most significant material upgrade comes in the Avenir trim. Buick's design team established a new internal standard for the brand's interior quality, aiming to bridge the gap between mainstream and luxury. This translates to a significant departure from the materials shared with its cousins, the Chevrolet Traverse and GMC Acadia. The only shared interior elements between the Enclave and the Traverse are the lower door map pockets and glove box panels. While seat structures are shared, the Enclave distinguishes itself with unique materials, designs, stitching, and patterns. The instrument panels, metal finishes, and speaker covers are also exclusive to the Enclave, further emphasizing its premium positioning. The Avenir trim elevates the material experience even further with custom perforation patterns adorning the leather on door trim inserts, the dashboard, and the seats. In contrast, the Sport Touring offers a sportier vibe with a flat-bottom steering wheel and industrial-looking trim featuring white stitching and piping within its black interior. The Enclave's interior technology takes a major leap forward with the introduction of a stunning 30-inch curved display that dominates the dashboard. This expansive screen seamlessly integrates the customizable gauge cluster and the infotainment system powered by Google built-in. This intuitive system offers access to Maps, a voice assistant, and an app store featuring Amazon Alexa, all accessible through the touchscreen or voice commands. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility further enhance connectivity. Additionally, the center console houses a conveniently placed wireless charging pad and user-friendly static touch controls for personalized settings. Standard across the Enclave lineup is a 12-speaker Bose sound system, providing a rich audio experience. Upgrading to the Avenir trim unlocks an even more premium 16-speaker Bose system. The top-of-the-line Avenir also pampers occupants with heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and heated second-row seating. For added convenience, the Avenir boasts a head-up display and power-folding second and third-row seats. While these features are exclusive to the Avenir, the lower preferred and Sport Touring trims can be equipped with them through the available power package. The Enclave boasts a maximum cargo capacity of 90 cubic feet, offering ample space for luggage, groceries, or gear. When it comes to towing, the Enclave can haul up to a respectable 5,000 pounds, but unlocking this capability requires the optional trailering package. Adding further convenience is a cool new standard feature, the auto-sensing power liftgate. No more awkward foot gestures are needed. Simply walk up to the back of the SUV and wait for the liftgate to automatically open for effortless cargo access. The Buick Enclave prioritizes safety with a comprehensive suite of standard driver assistance features. This includes new additions like automated emergency braking at intersections, a system that intervenes with steering assistance to help with blind spots, traffic sign recognition, and lane keeping assist. Further enhancing awareness, the Enclave comes equipped with 7 standard exterior camera views, which can be expanded to 8 with the optional trailering package and an impressive 9 with the addition of Super Cruise. This advanced system offers hands-free driving capabilities on compatible roads, further elevating safety and comfort during long journeys. While Buick hasn't officially announced pricing for the 2025 Enclave, we can expect an upward adjustment across all trims. Anticipating a roughly $3,000 increase, the starting price for the base preferred trim could land around $49,000, with the Sport Touring likely starting near $56,000 and the top-of-the-line Avenir potentially reaching the $62,000 mark. Look for the official pricing details closer to the Enclave's launch later this summer.